thank you. I was so too. What's new neighbor? Bird did not having a neighbor. He was now and drop acorns. I need a break, said Bird. I think I'll go to the beach. Bird went in the sand. She dipped her toe in the water. She is the smart. I love the beach, she said. Just then, but saw something. There was a big hawk in the sky. Oh no, said Bird. That hawk will eat me. Bird found a good place to hide. At last, the hawk was gone. Bird flew back home. I saw a big hawk, said Bird. Oh no, said Kip. I don't like hawks. Where was it? It was at the beach, said Bird. When it come here, asked Kip. I don't think so, said Bird. The tree is a very safe place.